This lesson will guide you through key elements of personal leadership development, including self-reflection, value identification, understanding personality, learning from role models, and experimenting with leadership approaches. Here's a brief overview of the top 5 leadership styles. Autocratic leadership. Autocratic leaders make decisions without consulting their team. This style is often seen in high-pressure situations where quick decision-making is critical. While it can be effective in urgent scenarios, it may lead to disengagement or resentment among team members who feel their input is undervalued. Democratic leadership. Democratic leaders encourage input and feedback from their team before making decisions. This style fosters collaboration and creativity, as employees feel involved in the decision-making process. While it can lead to high morale and better decisions, it may be slower, particularly in fast-paced environments. Transformational leadership. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate their teams by setting a vision and leading by example. They focus on innovation and change, pushing their team members to grow and improve. This leadership style is great for driving long-term success, but it can be exhausting if leaders don't provide adequate support. Transactional leadership. Transactional leaders focus on structure, rewards, and penalties. They set clear goals and expectations and use incentives to motivate performance. While this approach can be effective in achieving short-term goals, it may not inspire creativity or long-term growth. Laissez-faire leadership. Laissez-faire leaders offer minimal guidance and give their teams autonomy to make decisions. This can foster innovation and independence, but may lead to a lack of direction if team members aren't self-motivated or need more guidance. Taking these styles into consideration, let's have a look where your future leadership profile fits best. The objective here is to assess your own characteristics and traits to establish what leadership style you align with the best. Remember that different situations will require different leadership styles, so don't get fixated on one specific style. You will eventually learn how to apply each style when required, and based on your experience, you will be able to manipulate your response to the different events that occur. But first, you have to analyze where you stand right now, as it will help you going forward to develop a solid leadership style. Reflect on your strengths and weaknesses. Understanding your own strengths and weaknesses is crucial when developing your leadership style. Self-awareness is the foundation upon which effective leadership is built. When you have a clear understanding of what you naturally excel at and where you face challenges, you are better equipped to leverage your strengths and improve on your weaknesses. To start, take time to reflect on situations where you have successfully led others. What skills helped you navigate these situations? Were you able to inspire others, make decisions under pressure, or resolve conflicts? These reflections will help you identify the strengths that can serve as cornerstones of your leadership style. At the same time, it's equally important to recognize your weaknesses. For example, do you struggle with delegation, find decision-making challenging, or feel uncomfortable giving feedback? Acknowledging these areas for improvement is not a sign of failure. Rather, it's a first step in actively working to address it. Effective leaders are those who continuously strive to grow and evolve. One way to gain insight into your strengths and weaknesses is through feedback from colleagues, mentors, or team members. Encouraging honest and constructive feedback will provide an external perspective and help you identify blind spots. Using this information, you can set goals to further develop your leadership capabilities and become a more well-rounded leader. Identify your values and beliefs. Your values and beliefs are the foundation of your leadership decisions, actions, and interactions. They guide how you approach challenges, resolve conflicts, and build relationships. By understanding your core values, you can develop a leadership style that feels authentic and consistent with who you are as a person. Start by reflecting on what matters most to you in a leadership role. For example, do you value integrity, collaboration, innovation, or empathy? These values will shape the way you lead and how others perceive your leadership. Leaders who act in alignment with their values are more likely to inspire trust and respect from their teams. A values-driven approach also creates a consistent leadership style that team members can rely on, particularly during times of uncertainty. For instance, if integrity is a core value, you will prioritize honesty and transparency in your communication. If collaboration is important, you may focus on creating an inclusive environment where team members are encouraged to share their ideas. Aligning your leadership style with your values makes your leadership more authentic, and authenticity fosters stronger relationships and greater team loyalty. In addition, being aware of your values helps you navigate ethical dilemmas and make tough decisions. When leaders act consistently with their values, they create a sense of psychological safety and reliability for their teams, which is essential for fostering a positive work environment. Consider your personality. Your personality has a significant impact on how you lead. Some leaders are naturally extroverted and thrive in social interactions, while others may be more introverted and prefer one-on-one conversations or structured environments. Understanding your personality type can help you develop a leadership style that feels natural and comfortable, allowing you to connect more authentically with your team. For example, if you're an introverted leader, you may prefer quieter, more reflective leadership style. You might find that you excel in thoughtful decision-making and one-on-one mentorship. In contrast, extroverted leaders might thrive in situations that require public speaking or energizing the group. Understanding these traits can help you embrace your natural leadership tendencies while being mindful of areas where you may need to adapt. Flexibility is key in leadership. While your personality provides a foundation, successful leaders know how to adjust their approach to fit different situations and team dynamics. For instance, if you're more introverted, you may need to step outside your comfort zone when it comes to leading large group discussions. Alternatively, if you're extroverted, you may need to practice listening more during meetings to ensure that all team members feel heard. Being aware of your personality helps you create an environment that aligns with your strengths and preferences, while also allowing you to adapt when necessary to meet the needs of your team. Learn from role models. Observing and learning from leaders you admire can provide valuable insights into your own leadership development. Role models offer examples of leadership qualities and behaviors that resonate with you. By reflecting on what you appreciate about their leadership styles, you can identify practices and approaches that you might want to incorporate in your own leadership style. Start by thinking about leaders you admire, whether they are historical figures, industry leaders, or individuals you know personally. What is it about their leadership that stands out to you? Is it their ability to communicate a vision, their decisiveness, or their empathy? Once you identify these traits, consider how you might integrate them into leadership style while staying true to your own personality and values. While role models provide valuable inspiration, it's important to remember that your leadership style should remain uniquely yours. Avoid the temptation to mimic others entirely. Instead, focus on adapting the qualities that align with your personal strengths and values. For example, if you admire a leader's ability to remain calm under pressure, consider how you can cultivate that quality in your own way. Learning from role models helps you avoid common pitfalls, but it also encourages you to continually evolve as a leader by refining your approach and discovering new strategies.